Guys, I just found my freaking dog. No, we were looking for my dog. I look behind here. Here he is punishing himself. Why? Try and get him out. Hold up, hold my phone. Oh. The wobble. Hey.
Oh, come on, baby. Okay, hold this. Hold this.
Okay.
Is it too heavy?
No.
Okay, good. Baby, come on.
Hold on.
Stop.
Bad baby. You should have crushed.
Oh, shit. Okay, hold it.
Okay, hold on. Put the phone down.
No, don't do that.
I wasn't punishing yourself.
Oh, God, this is heavy.
Whoa. Whoa. If I broke this.
Stop, just hold him. Hold him. Well, how am I going to hold him, man?
Okay. Grab him. I don't feel like he's gonna attack me. Go.
Did he try and bite you?
No, but if he do, dude, he's stiff on me. I'm not. Oh.
That was so good.
Dude, but he's stiff, bruh.
Oh, your penis.
It's crusty.
Oh, no.
Oh no. So much pain in my body.
Yo.
Yeah.
Why'd you do that? Our dog is depressed. It's not funny. It's not something funny.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Peace out.